hope you're doing well. So today I'm gonna show you how to uh, counting word from a file. So first of all, we need a variable file. We are declared a variable name file, and now we are open the file. So we need a open function. Open function here. So open function has two parameters. So we need to declare two parameters. So first parameter is the file name, and second parameter is the mode. The file is open read mode or write mode. We are declared in this upper quotation. So first of all we declared the file name here in this parameter. So the file name is my file dot text. So that is the file name, and we open this file as a read mode. So that's why I declared R here in this parameter. And now we declared a variable name count. So C is event count, and we initial the variable as a 0. So the count variable is hold 0 value before doing anything. So now we using a loop, for loop. So is for loop line in file. So we are iterated line in the file. So now we are declared variable name word. So word, and now we are split the line. So that is why we declared a we use a line dot split. Split is a function, and there is a default parameter is upper quotation. So now we counting the length of the line. So that's why we need count, and we update count, and simultaneously we uh, read the line. Okay, line word. So that's why we need to update count. So count plus equal word dot line len. So that is the function. Okay, sorry, there is use before function, then the word. So len and then word. Yes. So now we need to close the file. So file dot close, and close is a functions, that why we are use parenthesis here. And now we just print the count, how much the word we count using a for loop. That is the program. So print, and now total word equal, and just paste the variable here, count variable. So that's the program. So now we need to run the program and to check or verify the program is working right or wrong. So now, yes, the total word is 8. That is the program, simple program. I hope you will understand my program, and